Hi, it's Laurel here in my studio, and just wanted to show you some things that are going on here. Um, these are two runner rugs that we're getting ready to paint an abstract painting on. And I have a video on the very first thing that we paint on our rugs is actually the hem. And so after we hem, we paint this, and we also paint underneath. We paint underneath this hem, and it's kind of stuck down, and it helps this lay flat. But in the end, after we paint and varnish, we're going to paint the back end, and then every part of this canvas, raw canvas, will be protected by exterior paint. And I'm often asked, what do I use for my base coats? And I actually use the same house paint. So this is a latex exterior house paint. This has 2 coats on it. I will be applying the 3rd coat. Often I'll start out with a white just to seal it up, and then I'll paint 2 coats of the base coat that I'll be using for the design. Okay. Here is a project that we have going. There's another video that I made on how to use tubes in the studio. And this table is about, I don't know, 6-7 foot wide. And this rug is 30 foot long. So what we're doing is as we paint, we are rolling it up on this end, and then we're letting it out on that end. And as we mark each square, and actually what I'm using for this is, let me get it for you. Sorry, I'm tracing. So these designs are all traced on. And so first thing I do is I mark off the squares, and then I trace it. And then I have a set of colors that I'm using. So these are all the colors that I'm using, and I'm only using these colors, and we just mix it up. So this one design might come out also with this color, and also with this color, and this color. So we just keep mixing all the colors, and it's going to be pretty fantastical. It's all hand painted. A lot of labor going into this beautiful runner rug. And over here, Gretel is getting my corners ready. So these are being prepared to sew the mitered corners on the rugs. And if you're interested in making your own canvas rug, I do have a course. The link is below, and it has all of the steps for how to make your own canvas rug. And if you sign up for my email list, there's you get the first 2 modules of my course for free, and that'll show you which canvas to get, how much canvas, how to prepare it, because a lot of preparation goes into this canvas before we cut it and measure it and sew it. Then we base coat it, and then we paint it. And I'm going to list some videos. I have a video on the varnishes that I use, the polyurethane that I use. Okay, well, thank you for joining me here in my studio. I'm going to show you the beautiful view we get to enjoy while we're working. And here we are, overlooking the valley of beautiful San Jose. It's the beginning of the dry season. Everything's still pretty green. Couple of months, it's going to look very different out here. But right now it's cold winds, hot sun, beautiful day to paint canvas rugs. I hope you can join me soon. Bye-bye.